to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Sophie stories, and namhlanje, guys, sisakhuluma ke ngenimba. Guys, what a beautiful wedding! What a beautiful wedding between the two lovebirds, uThumeka kanye ke noHlathi. But I still say, guys, ukuthi uHlathi is not fully committed kulowa mshado. Inhliziyo yakhe uphisinyana wayo usahleli le kuzoleka, kanti uThumeka ungene ngaye wonke, washiya brother Justice, washiya everything and committed herself to lowa mshado. Yo, but unfortunately, guys, ukuthi ke happiness is not guaranteed. But it was a beautiful wedding. Siyabonga to ama-producers, the writers. That was beautiful. The outfit, decor, like everything. I love the speech, guys. It's abantwana babo, speech abantwana. It was very nice ukusilalela, especially a speech kaQhawe when she was appreciating uThumeka. It was beautiful, guys. It was beautiful. But guys, on the other side, uZoleka usanda kuthola indaba ezimnandi noma ezimbi. I don't know ukuthi uyithatha kanjani, but usanda kuthola ukuthi ukhulelwe, and we don't know ukuthi ubani ke manje ke ubaba walengane ekhulile uZoleka. Is it Qhawe? Is it Lazarus? Is it Hlathi? But obvious, guys, kufanele kube uHlathi ukuze sibone idrama between uThumeka noZoleka kanye ke noHlathi. Do you think uHlathi kumele vele uthathe isithembu? What must happen? Yo, a drama, guys, about to begin. Another drama, a new season of drama manje, because siphuma le singena la. I man asikazo rest ashem. But anyway, guys, this was beautiful wedding. Ukuthi nje sazoshuba, sazoba nzima. Bye.